Welcome. Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy A53 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first you should hold for a while the application and drag this app to another application. By this way you can see that we just created the new home screen folder, and to add here one more application you can just hold for a while app on your home screen and drag it here to the folder, or also we can put up here on this plus icon and select one from all of these available applications on our device. So just to select these apps, just click here on the left upper corner of the app on the checkbox here, and here you can see how many applications we just added to our folder. For example, we'll add 5 more folders, then just click here to done, and you can see that we just successfully add here more applications to our new folder. We can also give a name to this folder. Just click here and enter the apps, for example, then just click here to done, and now you can see that we just successfully renamed this folder. Also we can move this folder here on the screen, for example on the left upper corner, on the right upper corner, or just also we can create a new screen with the folders, can you see. And to remove some applications from the folder you just can hold for a while the app and drag this app on the home screen to if you want to stay with this app on the home screen. But you can also just remove the application from the folder, but don't worry, this app will remove only from the folder, but you will stay with this application in app menu. And also we can here select a couple of these applications and to remove them together, or just to select, for example, 2 apps and to create the new folder by the same way. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.